Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, the Pleiadians are going to give us a little update on the 2026 energies and make some suggestions for how we can move through the next couple of months more easily. Because as we have noticed over the past month or so, the energies have been off the charts. And as y'all know, this is just the new normal. Energies keep getting stronger. So in today's video, the P's are going to make some suggestions for us to help us move through these energies more comfortably so that we know what's headed our way. But before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. So when we are looking at the energies that are going to be facing us over the next couple of months, the P's have been telling me something that I have found very helpful, and that is that they are encouraging me, and now all of you, to stay flexible. So the way that this has been playing out is we know that we are well into the separation of timelines, right? That the ascending timelines are separating from the non-ascending timelines. And what this means is we're going through a separation from anything that isn't a match to the path our soul has chosen. So that means anything that is still wired in density, that is still holding us on those lower timelines, is going to be breaking down. So one of the pieces of advice that the P's have been giving me lately, and some of my clients as well, is to encourage us to stay very flexible. So these aren't energies where we want to be tying ourselves down. So these are not great energies for us to be committing to long-term plans, to be entering new business ventures that we can't get out of, to be locking ourselves in to relationships that we might be unsure of. Because what is happening in these energies is we are moving at a lightning speed. And I know it doesn't feel like it for a lot of us. It feels like we're kind of stuck in stall mode, but we are really moving at a lightning speed right now. So here's what happens when we're in energies that are moving this fast. Things that may have been in alignment with us 3 or 6 months ago or a year ago may have actually been our highest timeline, are now obsolete. We have outgrown them this quickly in just a matter of months. So because what is happening in these energies is that we are being separated from anything lower vibrational, and that just means lower vibrational than you is going to be separating from us. So this is not a time where we want to be making binding commitments. Anytime that I think of new business ventures, new collaborations, my guides always come in and encourage me to give myself an escape route. So with anything that we are taking on right now and in 2026, we want to make sure we can get out of it. Because if the energies continue to shift very quickly, which they're going to do, we don't want to be trapped in something, a situation, a relationship that no longer aligns with us. So those of us who still have, fingers in the 3D world, have businesses, careers, jobs, it's a really good idea in these energies to start giving yourself an escape route for when or if that thing starts to feel out of alignment. Because in these energies, they are not gentle. Anything that is not a match has got to go. And it can go softly and easily, or it can go with an explosion. So in these energies, it's not the best idea to be entangling ourselves into things that we can't easily get out of. So right now, whenever I'm faced with making a decision to commit to something, to sign contracts about something, to commit to partnerships or collaborations, anything like that, new business partners, new careers, we want to keep this in mind, that what feels very aligned and may be very aligned right now may feel very different in 3 or 6 months. And so the way that the P's have been encouraging us to navigate this, because we have to make decisions, we have to have jobs, we have to do things with our careers and our businesses. The way that we can navigate this more easily is to give ourselves an escape path. So whatever we are doing, signing, partnering with someone can be very helpful. Your future self will thank you if you give yourself an exit. And I know a lot of us don't stop to think about this. We think that if something feels great now, we should go for it. And that has generally been the advice, right? We want to move in the direction of what feels aligned. But what is new in these energies is we're moving so fast that things are falling out of alignment faster than they ever have. So just a little suggestion from the P's that we may want to give ourselves an exit strategy for anything that we are committing to make sure that we have a way to get out of that contract, that we have a way to separate from those business partners, that we have a way to get out of that subscription, anything we're signing up to. Because what sounds good today may be a whole nother story in 3 or 6 months. That's how fast we're moving. So I thought that was really helpful advice, and they've given this advice to a couple of my clients, and I am finding this really helpful, and I'm keeping this in mind every time I have to make decisions in the business context, in any legal context, even with friendships. Giving yourself an exit strategy because the energies are just too fast to be predictable. What looks good today may look very differently in a couple of months. So having that exit strategy, a graceful exit, not that you're setting yourself up to collapse things or let things go, but you're prepared if that's the direction the universe takes you. We don't want to be locking ourselves into things any more than we have to in these energies. So I thought that was really helpful advice, and I'm seeing it work for a number of my friends as well. They're taking this advice to heed, and it's paying off. So I wanted to share that little nugget with y'all as well. So I hope that this has helped you out. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done it. And I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.